Hi everybody, it's Birdie. Welcome back to my channel at Positive Bluebird. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to bring your friends and family on over and click the notification bell. When I was browsing Pinterest in 2015, I came across toilet paper roll owls. I got a little creative with mine by taking water and wall plaster and sealing them to make them rock solid. From there, I decided to just incorporate any kind of ribbon, stickers, decorative paper, you name it. I have other toilet paper owls somewhere in a box in my son's closet that sometime I'll show you guys. But you don't have to use wall plaster. You can keep them plain brown, you can paint them, use acrylics, watercolor, decorative paper. Like I said, just get fancy. I've even made toilet paper birds before. I've cut small pieces of this Dollar Tree ribbon and hot glued them on the side by folding them into different directions so I can create the wings. And I've even used buttons before, or just regular decorative paper. Using a hole puncher, I cut out these little pieces of foam paper and incorporated those into the project as well. I incorporated some washi tape at the top, and then I like to use the Mod Podge and seal in everything. I let them dry overnight completely, and then I will show you the final results at the end after all three projects. Here is project number 2, and this is going to be a Christmas owl. Basically, I am using everything that I have in storage under my bed in containers, and I came across the erasers and this sequence. Now I'm just going to fold some scrap paper and create some other wings and hot glue those into place, and then when I'm done decorating the owl, I will Mod Podge everything. And you guys, I am just kind of making up my own thing here. I think everybody should just get creative and be unique. I'm incorporating decorative paper, scrap paper, sequins, washi tape, Mod Podge, and then these little erasers are those from the 25-cent vending machines over time. I thought the bow on the top of the head was perfect. For the last project, this one is going to be a princess owl. This is a paper slicer that you can find at any craft store. And again, just decorating as I go along here. I am just kind of making it up. I thought this piece of the decorative paper was perfect for incorporating as a crown at the top. I sometimes struggle with my fingers, but I was so impressed that I was able to tie this pink bow. Hot glued some pony beads for the eyes, and then I've melted them down below where the flowers are. With my fingers, I used a little bit of watercolor for the blush, and then sealed everything in with Mod Podge. With a wood-burning tool, I carefully melted these pony beads into flowers. You guys, believe it or not, the holidays will be here, and it's time to get crafting with your kids. Have fun, everyone. Peace out and stay positive.